time you have the satisfaction that everything is in the right place. Having your things organized gains you time to spend with family or finishing important projects. The Kitchen Supreme chalkboard labels are the most professional, elegant, and efficient way to organize your home, pantry, office, garage, and to decorate all your events. They come in 8 unique designs from which you can choose. They are made from superior vinyl. They produce a 100% authentic chalkboard look. They are designed with a matte and smooth texture, not slippery or glossy. The Kitchen Supreme chalk marker contains a concentrated ink that enables smudge and fills the lines with charming and smooth white chalk. The writing dries fast and wipes off easily with a damp cloth. The water-based chalk marker has a chisel tip for the fine detail artwork and bullet tip for free writing. You get attractive results in 3 easy steps. Write, peel, stick. Reusable. You can switch contents from your jars whenever you need. Wipe off the writing, peel, and re-stick. The chalkboard stickers are so beautiful on jars, bottles, casseroles, storage containers, and even on drawers. They are a great hit at birthday parties, weddings, and other events where you can use them for candy bars, gift tags, or table numbers. Get your own chalkboard labels bundle and you will receive as a bonus the washable liquid chalk marker and a digital guide with original ideas for using the vinyl stickers. I know what you're thinking. One for you and one for that special someone. Who would you buy it for?